Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. A person who never made a mistake never try anything new. If you cannot explain it simple, you don't understand it well enough. Just remember that. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. Remember that information is not knowledge. The only source of knowledge is experience. You need experience to gain wisdom. That is it. That is it. One should respect an honest person even if he expresses opinions different from one's own. Intelligence is not the ability to store information, but to know where to find it. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Imagination is the language of the soul. Never forget that. Pay attention to your imagination and you will discover all you need to be fulfilled. That is it.